हाय एवरीवन। आपके दिन का बहुत सारा टाइम सोशल मीडिया पर वेस्ट हो जाता है जिसका आपको कोई भी बेनिफिट नहीं होता है। तो कैसा रहेगा अगर मैं आपको इंस्टाग्राम से बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना सिखा दूँ? तो इंस्टाग्राम बिजनेस मास्टरी, जो लोग नहीं जानते हैं मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करा देता हूँ। इंस्टाग्राम बिजनेस मास्टरी इज़ अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप अप्रोच जिसमें एक एक स्टेप एक्सप्लेन करा हुआ है कि आप अपने इंस्टाग्राम को कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद आप अपने इंस्टाग्राम को 13 तरीके से मोनेटाइज करके इंस्टाग्राम से अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, पैसे कमा सकते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम बिजनेस मास्टरी इज एन ई बुक जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली लॉन्च करी थी और आई हैव सोल्ड अराउंड 300 कॉपीज ऑफ इट और अब मैं इसका वीडियो कोर्स लॉन्च करने जा रहा हूँ। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील माई फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम बिजनेस मास्टरी वीडियो। हियर इट इज। Hey everyone, welcome to the first module of Instagram Business Mastery. The first module is niche clarity. What is a niche? A niche is something, or niche is an area where a business or an individual feels comfortable in working, and also they have some expertise and also some passion in doing their work. For example, I'm a business consultant and coach. I am providing values, I am creating content for the business startups, for business promotion and also for business influencing. So here business consulting and business promotion is my niche. Now your niche will depend on few things which are very important. These three things are very important for understanding your niche. The first one is your interest, the thing in which you have interest and you can do it for longer time without getting bored and also without getting tired can become your niche. Because if I'll ask a sport person for cutting hairs, then he is not able to do because he is not having any kind of interest in that. And if I ask a barber to run in the middle of the race, then he will not able to do because he will get tired as he don't have any kind of interest in doing so. So your niche will also depend on your interest. The second one is experience. The work in which you have experience, you have done it several times before or you have done it for a particular period of time. So you have experience and you can also be able to do that work again. So your niche will also depend on your experience, on your past experience, that what work you have done. The third thing is your expertise, the thing in which you are an expert and you have some pro level experience in doing your work and you are a master in your field. That kind of thing should be chosen as your niche because there is a high chance of performing great and you will be able to provide high quality content and high quality values to your clients, customers and audiences, and you'll also be able to prove yourself as an expert in your niche. Don't worry if you don't have any kind of expertise in doing any work. You can continue to do the work in which you have your interest, or you can continue to do the work in which you have experience, and soon you will become an expert in that field. So the formula of finding your niche is your interest plus your experience plus your expertise is equal to your niche. हे एवरीवन, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। जिसको ये पूरा वीडियो कोर्स फ्यूचर में फ्री में चाहिए वो अभी ई बुक को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट द प्राइस विल बी रेज्ड। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिंक है आप उससे ई बुक को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। एंड सॉरी आई वॉज नॉट एक्टिव फॉर मोर देन अ मंथ ऑन यूट्यूब, बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ प्रॉमिस। आज मैं एक प्रॉमिस करने जा रहा हूँ कि हर संडे शाम 4 बजे मैं एक नई वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा। स्टे ट्यून, like, subscribe, share your comments and please share this video. Thank you so much.